you guys. So today we are going to be going through what is in my February Ipsy. I'm going to be discussing the products I got and trying them out. If you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a subscription service. I think it's up to 12 a month now, but it's worth it. They send you a bag of 5 makeup products every month. They're usually like deluxe size samples. Sometimes you get a full size, kind of like I got a Meech and Mia shadow, and this is like a full size like single shadow. So you do sometimes get full size stuff. You get makeup brushes, kind of like I've gotten this one. So you get all kinds of cool stuff. So I thought it would be fun to start showing it on my channel. So the first product is the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer Oil Free Makeup Gripping Base Pore Refiller and Hydrator. So this is supposed to make your makeup last longer. Primer is one of those things to me. Ooh, that's not the texture I expected. Primer I usually have to test for a couple days before I really know, but we'll see. So this is like, it is like a tacky texture. Like, it's a very interesting texture. Like, I've felt tacky before, but it's almost, I don't know how to explain it. It almost solidifies, and I think that's that pore filling aspect to it. I like how it feels so far on the skin. Like, this feels like it's gonna do nice things for my skin. Okay, so I'm just going to speed through my foundation and concealer and all that, because yeah, it's gonna be I've got a couple products, or I'm going to do like my face, and then I will come back with the rest of the products. But so far my skin already does look like smoother than it did before, so I think this product definitely has got a lot of potential. Okay, so I tried to get some time lapse of me doing my face. Unfortunately, time lapse is a weird thing where if it's bright outside, it'll like wash out my face. It'll get super bright, so not sure how much footage I got on that. But this primer, very rarely off the bat can I be like, oh, I like this primer, or oh, I don't like this primer. But if my makeup continues to look like it does right now throughout the day, it just blurs everything and it smooths everything, and I'm really impressed with it. This primer I'm definitely going to be trying more. If I remember, I'll insert a clip now of later letting you know if my makeup lasted longer than normal. But I'm really impressed so far. So I did my contour for blush. This is the Auto Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go, the Balm. This was one of my add-on products. You can add on some products for, ooh, I can tell this is pigmented. You can add on products for a couple bucks. It's usually like $3 for a sample every month. So this was one of them. That is really pigmented, but it's a pretty color. Okay. So I can say off the bat, don't go crazy. This is in the shade, it doesn't say. I was gonna let you know what shade it was. Well, it's saying on my little card. No. I will put it in the description if I find the shade. But this is a very, like, it's a dark color. It's a very pretty shade. It, as you can see, if you go crazy, it's very pigmented, but it blends out very nicely. What I'm going to do, since I did go a little crazy though, is I'm just going to take a flat brush and a little bit of powder, and I'm just going to kind of blur that a little bit. See how that just kind of like sinks it into the skin a little bit? So if you go crazy on blush, that is what I normally do. Okay, so next we have got eyeshadow. So my other add-on, I saw this Viseart thing and it looked like a little baby palette, and I was like, oh, how cute. It's one shadow. So that's like something that was just kind of like, okay, but it's a pretty shadow, so I will try it along with, I got this little baby palette, so I think it's going to be one of those kind of like transition, outer corner, inner corner, lid. I also will I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm going to do a little bit of the inner corner, and then I'll layer it with that other one. Yeah, that's just a pretty, it's very soft, but it's pretty. This actually might be, I'm going to try this as a highlight. I think this would be a really pretty highlight. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's hard to tell with this lighting right now, but it's a very nice and subtle. See? It's very subtle, but very pretty. I like that actually as a highlight. So I like this. I'm going to go ahead and try these shadows now. So I'm going to go into the orange one first for my transition. Very, very pigmented, I can already tell. Okay, I'm going to just blend this down now. I just realized I forgot to tell you, this is by the brand Chellai. I've never heard of this, but this is the La Vie Mini Quad Eyeshadow. It says the full-size version of this product is $45, so I'm not sure if the full size is the same 4 colors and it's bigger, or if there's more colors, but this is a little mini version. I like these little mini palettes for traveling. Those are always nice. So I'm going to take the gold now, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Ooh, that's really pretty. These shadows, they're really soft, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to blend them, and they're super pigmented. I gotta say, I'm really impressed so far. I didn't really know what to expect just because these are kind of like, they're 4 like basic kind of like smoky colors. They're usually, shadow-wise, the quality is usually, you know, they're pretty similar. But this one's definitely sticking out for me in how well it's blending and how well it looks. I'm just taking the brown on the outer corner. I'm really impressed. I'm kind of just speeding, and I'm just kind of like speeding through this too because I'm kind of in a rush today. So to do this quick and have it like blend out super quick is really neat. I'm going to take this brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to go into this little shimmer shade in the corner. That's really pigmented too and pretty. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I will have the last thing. I've got 3 other products in the bag, but only 1 more that I'm going to test out. I got a nail polish by Misha Beauty. I do have a guard competition tomorrow though, so unfortunately I'm not able to paint my nails right now, but I will do it on Sunday and then put in the description bar what I think. But that's such a pretty color. It's a dark purple color. And I think the bottle's super cute, so I will try that and I will update you guys on that. And then another one that I feel like you can't really, oops. I feel like it's hard to really like say yes or no. This is the Perfumed Hand Essence. I think this is a, yes, it is a hand lotion. It is either a I want to say Japanese brand, probably. Let me see what it says. I'm assuming so. The back is not in English. I just want to smell it and see what I think. And as I said, you can't really tell how soft it makes your hands off the bat. Ooh, I like the smell of that though. It's a nice like lavender scent. I really like that. And the full size, this is the full size product, and it is only, yeah, this is only $3, $4 for a full size product. So if you like hand lotion, this is really nice. So the last thing I have to test out is I have got a lipstick from, yeah, I'm not sure how to say that brand. But this is the Antimatter lipstick in Bang. So I'm going to just test this out. It's a really pretty nude, it looks like. Oh yeah, it's like a pinky nude. It reminds me of the e.l.f. shade Praline. A little bit more like orangey maybe? There's almost like a coral undertone. So overall, I'm really impressed with this month's bag. I think I got a lot of really nice things. So far, there's nothing I can say I don't like. I will put in the description what I think of that nail polish. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, also, I always forget to say this. If there's any videos that you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. And yeah, bye.